I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do heap sort tracing for the exam on April 1st on Tuesday. So you guys are going to have to know how to trace a mean heap and a max heap sort with a given array. So for example, our given array is 12, 11, 10, 15, 3, and 5. So for the mean heap, it's going to be you start off with a 12. Write a 12, and now the next element is going to be 11. So 11 is going to be your root. So we can just write, because that's less than 12. So do 11 and then 12 on the left side. And then over here, this is going to be 11, 12, and 10. 10 is going to be your right side when you import that. So notice that 10 is less than 11. So now you have to swap. So you write swap 10 with 11 over here. So 10 is going to be your root. 12 is going to be on the left side, and then 11 is going to be right. And then, so the next element, you insert it at the 12. So 12 is going to be your parent now. Everything's going to be to left to right. So 15 is going to be over here, right? Now let's go down and insert the next element. So 10, 12, 11, 15, and then 3, it's going to be right here. So what you're going to have to do first is swap the 3 with the 12. So you can write like swap 3 with 12 first. So that'd be 10, 3, 15, and 12, 11. And then you could go next and you have to swap. So you write swap 3 with 10. So 3 is going to be your new root now. 10 is going to be on the left side. 11 is going to be your right side. 15 is going to be a child. And 12 is going to be your child as well. So, and then now you insert the next element, which is 5. So you rewrite it. 15, 12, 11. And now this is going to be 5. So once you find that, 5 is less than 11, you can go down here and say swap 5 with 11. So, and then that's going to be 3, 10, 5. And that's going to be 11 right here. And 15 and 12 is here. So this is going to be your new heap sort. So, I mean, you can, yeah, this is going to be your new tracing. So this is the answer right here, basically. So if you want to see this tree in every sort possible, when you want to swap, please try to indicate it for us. You could obviously skip some steps. For example, if you wanted to make it easier, let's say over here, right? For the swapping for, um, actually, this swapping over here. So you want to make 3, because 3 is on the bottom. You want to make it to 10. You can honestly think about it and be like, okay, so you just have to move everything down. So you could just do 3, 10, 12, 15, and then 11 right here. So you're just basically moving 3 on the top and moving everything down. But you have to keep it at the same pace. So yeah, you could do that, but this is going to be your answer right here, your final answer. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna give you guys a question for a max heap. Give me a second. Okay, so this given array was during lab, so it was 10, 8, 20, 117. So to build a max heap, you start with, of course, a 10, circle it, arrow, and 10, you insert, so it's going to be 8 over here on the left side, so everything start from the left to right. Gotta remember that. So, and then you insert 8, and you insert 20, So now 20 is greater than 10. So now you swap that. So you indicate the swap. So 20 to 10. So now 20 is your new root. 8's going to be left child. And 10 is going to be right. So now you insert 100. Right? So now, scroll down for a bit. Arrow. Because 100 is greater than 8, so we can indicate that swap. So do 100, that's 8. So write that down, 20, 8, sorry, 100, and then that would be 8, and then 10 will still be right. Now 100 is greater than 20, so now we have to indicate that swap. 100 to 20, so now 100 is your new root. That'll be 20, that'll be 10, that'll be 8, alright? So now, after that, once you're done with that swap, you insert your next array, or next element of your array. So that'll be 100, 20 will be here, and 10 will be here, 8, and 17. Now, because within the parent node and your root node, 17 is less than those two numbers. So that 17 will just be right there still. So this is going to be your answer, right here. I could probably make the, so, answer. Right, that'll be your answer for that sort. If you're done with that, the next question that we will be giving you guys is, please understand Heapify. This is really important. So, know the code, please, and understand how it works. So I could probably give you guys like another array as well. Let's just say, let's do min and max heap for say like 12, 20, 25, 5, and like 8. Okay. Start off with this. So min. So what you can do is 12. Next one, 12, 20. Remember, go from left to right for inserting elements. Okay, got to remember this. This is a rule. Okay, so now inserting next element, 12, 20, 25. Next, 5. So that'll be 12, 20, 25. And 5 is here. Now you notice, because we're building a mean heap, you have to swap it with 20 because 5 is less than 20. So swap 5 with 20, 12, 5, that'll be 20. That'll be 25. Now, that actually, I could probably show you guys another method to make it faster during the exam. Well, I mean, I won't mark any points off or anything. So, alternative for this, right? So, for example, we have 5 at the bottom. You want to swap it to 12. So what you can do is just say, oh, I want to swap 5 with 12. What you can do is have 5 as your node given to you. Start with that. So moving everything down. So that'll be 12 as your left child. Same thing, right child will stay the same. And then 20 will be at the bottom to make it faster. So now we insert the next given element, which is 8. So we do 5, 12, 25, 20, and 8's going to be here. I know it's going to take a while, but please show all the tracing and swaps. So now this is simple. Just swap 8 with 12. That'll be 5, 8, 25, 20, and 12. And this is going to be your final answer, the final swap. Okay, so now let's build a max, the given array. So I'm going to rewrite the array right here. So it'll be 12, let's see, is it 20, 25, 20, 25, 5, and 8, right? So this is for max heap. So again, we start off with 12. So now we do 12 and 20. You swap those two, swap, indicate a swap. So that'll be 20 and 12. Insert 12 and 25. And now you indicate another swap, 25, 12, 20. Now you insert your next element, 25, 12, 20. So you start from the left side, 5, 25, 12, 20, 5, and 8. Basic, simple tracing. So that's your final answer. Final answer. Alright, that's basically the tracing for heap, max and min heap. You guys should be able to do this and do it quickly. And yeah, that's basically it. And please understand Heapify. That'll be it.